In this video, we show how to replace a direct liquid cooling module in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a direct liquid cooling module with the cover, air shroud, risers 1 through 5, as well as the fan cage assembly removed, first loosen the captive screw that's securing the tube cover in place. Then lift the tube cover and unroute the tube. And then disconnect the power cable for the fans, and then loosen the captive screws in reverse numerical order, starting with 6 on one, ending on 1, and do the same thing on the other one, starting with 6. Finish on 1, and then with both loose, lift straight up to remove it from the system. To install the direct liquid cooling module, first apply thermal paste in a spiral pattern around the processors. Align and lower the heat sinks onto the system. Run your, then tighten the screws in numerical order. And finally 6. I'll repeat this for the other. With all the screws tightened, reconnect the power cable and then route the tubes. Making sure to get the grommets back in place for the back of the bracket, and lower the retention bracket. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.